Welcome to the Sam and Joe VA Show, where we teach women just like you how to start and scale a thriving virtual assistant business.
We're your hosts, Sam and Joe, and get ready to have the control, flexibility, and freedom you've always dreamed of.
Welcome to episode 111. There's more to entering awards than winning.
Yes, there is. We're really excited this week for two reasons. The first reason is episode 111. This is a number that has been popping up for the past couple of weeks for us, hasn't it?
It has, yes. We noticed that we had 1111 followers on our Instagram, and then we would lose a few followers and then go back to 1111, however many, 1111. And then we'd lose and then we'd come. So this number is calling to us. So what better topic to talk about than something that is so relevant and exciting right now?
Yes. So, reason number two, we're super excited this week is because entries have opened for the 2022 New Zealand Virtual Assistant Awards, which Joe and I are organisers of. This is the second year in a row that we are doing this. We're super excited. Now, if you are listening from outside of New Zealand, because we do have a lot of listeners from all around the world, don't stop listening. This podcast episode is still for you because we are going to be talking about the powerful benefits of entering awards, no matter where in the world you're based.
And it could be virtual assistant specific awards, or it could be general kind of business awards. They are everywhere. There's lots of them. So keep an eye out and have a listen to the reasons why we think you should enter the awards, even if you think you're not going to win.
Yes. Reason number one, the process of filling out an entry form is powerful.
Yeah. What other kind of opportunity do you get to actually stop, think about your business, look at how far you've come, see all of the incredible things that you've achieved, and find those gaps and opportunities that you have for improvements in the future? There's nothing like this kind of process where you really go deep and have to look inside your business and pick out all of those amazing things that you've done. This is the perfect opportunity to do that.
Yeah, it's definitely a worthwhile process. No matter what the outcome of the awards themselves are, just going through this process alone, incredibly powerful. Number two is the NZVA Awards. I know we do this, but we're not the only ones. The judges that we have judging each individual award then actually provide some feedback to the entries.
Yeah, these are professional business people who are reviewing what you've got in your award entry and giving you some really specific advice on opportunities, things you can improve on, some things that you may not have thought about before. So how cool is that? Some free advice for your business.
Yeah, from leaders in the business industry. I mean, why wouldn't you? Why wouldn't you want free advice? Okay, number three is if you are chosen to become a finalist in an award, for an award, that's something to celebrate. That is something to shout from the rooftops. It's something to display with pride.
Yeah, sometimes the awards might have a finalist badge or a certificate or something that you can share and show your credibility as a finalist in a specific category. So it's not just about winning, it's also like being a finalist is a big achievement. So you should absolutely share that if you do become a finalist in an award.
Yeah, you think about it. If you are displaying your credentials, say on your website or on your social media, or wherever it is you're sharing stuff like this, new leads look at things like that and they go, "Wow, finalist, that's big. They are obviously doing something right. They are a leader in that industry. Why wouldn't they then call you?"
Mm-hmm. So it's another big green tick for them when they're thinking, is this going to be the right fit for me?
Yeah. Now, the last benefit on our list of benefits of entering awards is, of course, if you win, my God, the credibility that then gives you.
Mhm.
Incredible.
Yeah, the kudos that you get from being able to have that winner badge or logo or whatever you get as the winner. This is the most incredible credibility that you can
Mhm.
show everywhere online throughout your entire online presence, your email signature. There's so many opportunities to use this, and sometimes even getting a media story as well as the winner. And the organizers of the events often do things like to have professional photos that you can then share. They write articles about you. I know that there's business awards that like have great media contacts that really like
Mm.
showcase you online, and there could be some big opportunities for you. And you get calls from others saying like, "Hey, I saw that you were the winner," and like all of these opportunities that can come out of that because of your winner status. So don't underestimate the the entering of awards. There's
Mm.
4 incredible reasons about why you should enter.
So those are our reasons for entering. Now, there will be people listening going, "Oh, but
Mhm.
I'm not gonna win. I'm yeah. S Someone else, this person down the road, this virtual assistant that I know really well, they're gonna win, so why do I even bother entering?"
Mhm. Mm. Yeah. Or they say, "Oh, I'm not ready this year. I'll do it
Mm,
next year."
yes, yeah. Or that feeling, I don't wanna put myself out there to then lose,
Mm.
because that's really vulnerable. I
Mm.
don't wanna be a loser. I don't wanna be seen to be a loser.
Mm. I'm not good enough. There's lots of better virtual assistants out there than me.
Yeah, lots of fears and all
Mm.
very, very normal and natural fears to have.
Mm. But what if? What
Mm.
if you did enter and you got all of those 4 benefits or some of those benefits or even just the process of entering the award? If you don't enter, then you will never know. You'll never get any of those benefits.
Mm.
And what if you did become a finalist? What if you did win? What if you got some great feedback that you could then use to improve your business and enter again the next year? What if? Because if you don't enter, you're going to be in exactly the same position you are right now. If you do enter, you have possibilities, you have opportunities to achieve more than you are right now.
Yeah, we really need to reframe our language and our thinking around things like this, don't we? Instead
Mm.
of, "Oh my goodness, I'm not gonna win," or "What's the worst that can happen?" Imagine the best that could happen.
Mhm. Yeah.
Visualize that, picture that in your head. What is the best thing that could come out of me entering an award?
Mm. Mm.
How cool. How exciting.
Yeah. So exciting. So if you are happen to be in New Zealand, we there's still a week to go for you to get your entry into the New Zealand Virtual Assistant Awards. So you should absolutely go for it. And if you aren't in New Zealand, seek out, find out, do some Googling, figure out what awards are in your country, your region, what local awards there are. Find some awards that you can enter. There are lots out there, and you should absolutely take up that opportunity. So we say, what is the worst that can happen? You're going to stay exactly where you are right now. What is the best that could happen? You could be a winner and have that credibility that you can put all over your online presence. Thanks for listening to this episode of the Sam and Joe VA Show. If you'd like to find out more, head to the VA Foundry website to check out the Members Club and the amazing resources, training, and coaching.
You can find us at thevafoundry.com.